Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I filmed this quick and easy natural makeup look for you. This has been my go-to makeup look in quarantine. This look is quick and easy, and it also doesn't take that much time or effort to achieve. I think that this is a great way to just look a bit more put together without trying that hard. Before we get started, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and also hit the notification bell so that you guys don't miss any of my future uploads. So if you guys want to see how I got this no makeup look, then just keep watching. So I just clipped my hair back with these clips, the ones from Amazon that aren't supposed to make your hair crease. I'm just going to start out by going in with concealer. This is the Kylie Cosmetics concealer. The color is Stone. And because this is a no makeup look, we're just using concealer all over my face. So I'm just going to use a damp beauty blender and I'm just going to blend the concealer in. When I'm looking down here, I'm looking at my mirror just so I can really see what I'm doing. And I'm just gonna put a little bit under my eyes and then a little bit more on my nose. You can still definitely see some blemishes peeking through. I'm just gonna take a little bit more concealer just over those areas that I need more coverage. And I am going to use my finger I don't want to powder my entire face because then your face is just going to look super powdery. So I am just going to take a little bit of my Airspun loose translucent powder and I'm just going to very lightly put this under my eyes just to set the concealer. I'm not baking or anything or putting any excess powder. I am just pushing this into my skin. And then because I get really oily throughout the day around my nose, I'm going to make sure that my nose is just lightly powdered, especially around the sides here. And then just my laugh lines. Okay, so as you see, I didn't powder anywhere else. I just kept it right in this area. And that's just where I get oily the most. Also, I wanted to set my under eyes to prevent any creasing. I'm just gonna take a little bit of powder over my blemishes just to help keep that concealer from moving throughout the day. Other than that, we're just gonna keep everything else as is and we're just going to move on to bronzer, blush, and all that. For bronzer, I'm just gonna use the Kylie Cosmetics bronzer in Tequila Tan. Looks like this. I'm gonna just do my forehead. You also want to push the bronzer up into your hairline just so you don't get like a crazy line where it looks like you're wearing a mask. I'm just gonna bring a little bit down my neck just to blend everything together. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take the same bronzer and I'm just going to put a little bit in my crease here. See how that added just a little bit of dimension? I did this in my first video, my everyday makeup routine. I do this a lot when I'm doing just like a quick and easy makeup look. So I also go right underneath. This is really good to do because if your concealer creases, you just cover it with bronzer. All right, so I am using my new Honest Beauty blush, cream blush, and the color is Peony. Looks like this. It's really pretty. Whenever I'm doing like a natural, no makeup look, I always like to bring it in and then go a little bit over my nose just so that it looks sun-kissed. I'm pretty much almost done with my face. I'm just gonna do my nose contour. No matter what, I always have to do my nose contour. I'm just gonna use my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I'm just gonna use this one right here, which is Shadow Play. I just draw 2 lines, and then I bring them up towards my brow, and then I always connect right at the tip. Now I just blend that in. And then what I like to do, just so the lines are not that harsh, I just go over my nose with a powder brush, just to tone it down. So I'm going to set my face with the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Setting Mist. This is the Fenty Beauty highlighter, and this is the Kilowatt highlighter, and I'm going to be using the color Fire Crystal, which is this one right here. And this is such a pretty highlight. I don't think it's too intense. It's just like the perfect amount of glow. I'm just gonna put a little bit on the tip of my nose and a little bit just down the bridge. And I'm really gonna blend this in because I don't want a highlight that's too intense. I kind of want it to be barely there and look like just a natural glow. I also like to go over that with a powder brush just to tone that down. I'm going to do my brows really quickly. As you guys saw in my everyday makeup routine, I did soap brows, which I have been loving recently. But Patrick Ta just came out with his Major Brow Tinted Shaping Wax. I'm gonna use it today, show you guys how I do it. And I just think that it makes your brows look super natural. And this is tinted, so you don't even have to fill them in. I think his packaging is so freaking cute. It's like this rose gold, like mirror almost. What you want to do is just spray to activate the wax. I need to buy a new spoolie. That is the #1 thing that I need to do. But I'm just gonna use what I have. So I'm just going to brush my eyebrows upward. This wax also has like growth peptides in it, so it's gonna help your brows grow, which I think is pretty cool. I'm just gonna take the end of the spoolie and I'm just gonna push the brow hairs against my skin just so that they stay in place. I'm just gonna kind of shape them how I want. And that literally took me 2 minutes. We're gonna do the other eyebrow. So I'm just going to curl my lashes. And then the mascara that I use is the Essence Lash Princess. This mascara is only $5, and I swear this is the best mascara. We don't want anything crazy, we just want a little bit. Just gonna take a Q-tip for any of the mascara that I got on my lid. For my lips, I use the same lip liner all the time. This is my absolute favorite. I used it in my everyday makeup routine. This is just a NYX lip liner and the color is Peekaboo Neutral. The reason why I love it is because it matches the color of my lips pretty well. Just gonna blend that in a little bit. I'm just gonna use Aquifer, and this is the lip repair. And I'm just gonna use a little bit. So this is gonna make your lips look really glossy, but it's also going to help repair them if you have any chapped or cracked lips. It's a 2-in-1. Alright guys, so that's it for the video. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did, subscribe down below, and also comment and let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.